Welcome back to Jake Moves Abroad. Today's an exciting day as we're going to be taking Rosie to a dog show. And then, drum roll please, we're going to Ikea. Finally we're going to get some furniture to put in this house. And then, after that, I'm going to be tackling the Slovakian language. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. What could be better than waking up at 5 in the morning? I know, driving for 2 hours straight. Fantastic. And here she is, the future champion. You better win, mate. Oh, you're too cute. Finally, after hours of driving, we'd arrived. All we had to do now was prepare for the show. We had plenty of time though, as we won the last heats. Yay! More waiting. While Zoe was busy preparing for the event, I decided to go and check out the competition. Look at all these losers. Oh, if only they knew they had no chance of winning. With that being said, cue the dog compilation. Apparently, it's not just dogs competing either. Oh, Chihuahua, Chihuahua. Ah, how I envy you. After hours of driving, grooming, and practicing, it was finally time for the real thing. That's right, she did it. She managed to win. And then there's only one way to celebrate. With Ikea, of course. And so it begins. Well, that's a little random. In the immortal words of Joey, how you doing? The never-ending labyrinth of Ikea. But wait, what's this? Check out. Oh. I don't understand why they have all these silly advertisements for food in Ikea. What kind of an idiot would buy that? Okay, that idiot would be me. And as you can see, there's a pretty big queue. And finally, it was time to eat. We then got home, and it was time to do the most exciting part of going to Ikea, assembling the furniture. After hours and hours of hard work, you can see one wardrobe. There's a cupboard. There's another wardrobe. Still have the mattress on the floor. Lovely. And I go upstairs. See, things are a bit more tidy now. Another wardrobe. The bed. And look at this. Look how nice and clean it's looking. Another wardrobe, and another one. See, things are slowly but surely starting to look a little bit more organised. And of course my Jesse Lingard signed boot. It's just a shame that he's rubbish now. We also got this nice foldable table and some chairs, along with this very exciting shower curtain. It was then time to start learning Slovakian.
Show a lot of things happening at once. Remind everyone of what's going on. And with every shot, show a little improvement. To show it all would take too long. That's called a montage. Even Rocky had a montage. In any sport, if you want to go from just a beginner to a pro, you need a montage. A simple little montage.
I still can't speak Slovakian. Well, that's all we have time for today. But if you'd like to keep up with my adventures here in Slovakia, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.